Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Arun Kumar and I bring you smart, simple solutions to upgrade your home gadgets. Today we're checking out a super handy little device that'll literally brighten up your life. The motion sensor under cabinet LED light. It's wireless, rechargeable, dimmable, and perfect for cabinets, kitchens, stairs, and wardrobes. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more smart home tips and gadget reviews. Hit the bell icon so you never miss a video, and if you have any questions or want to share how you're using yours, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.